So hi guys, in this video I will be telling you how to install Arrow OS 12.1 based on Android 12.1 or Android 12L. So the prerequisites are you need an unlocked bootloader and the minimum firmware as you should be in MIUI 13.0.2, and if you are any custom ROMs, please note that you have to flash the minimum firmware given in the Arrow OS website, and you need to remove all your Google accounts, remove your password and security, and once all of these is done you can do a reboot and then you can uh, continue the flashing. And now you can reboot our phone into fast boot mode by powering off the phone and pressing the power button and volume down button until your phone boots into fast boot mode. So once your phone is in fast boot mode, we can connect our cable, and in our PC we can go to the Arrow OS website and we can download the vendor and boot image so that we will be flashing the ROM from Arrow OS recovery and not from TWRP. So we need to be downloading the Arrow OS boot and vendor image, which is linked in description of the video, and I have already downloaded it. So now let's go ahead and open CMD to check if our phone is directed by typing fastboot devices, and here you go, my phone is directed. So without wasting any other time, let's flash the boot image by pasting the command. Now wait for the process to happen. And yes, the boot image flashing is done. The above one is just an error and can be ignored. So let's flash the vendor image right now and copy the command and paste them in your CMD, and now wait for the flashing to be done. And yes, we have successfully flashed the vendor image. So you can type a command fastboot reboot recovery. In some cases that wouldn't be working, so let me type go ahead, yeah, and well, that didn't work. So we can manually boot our phone into recovery by pressing the power button and the volume up button, which will boot our phone into the recovery. So let's do that. And yes, my phone did boot into the recovery, and as you can see it says Arrow OS recovery. Now let us go ahead to factory reset. We can control it by the volume key. So volume down, go to factory reset, press your power button. Okay, wait for it to go in, and yeah, format data / factory reset, go inside that, and format data, this cannot be undone. So let's format our data first, and once format data is done, we can go back by pressing the back button, and let's press the volume rockers to go down and select the apply update from ADB and click that, and go to your phone is currently in ADB sideload mode, so go to your fastboot and type ADB sideload, and go to the place where you have downloaded your ROM. So where in my case it is in C drive, so let's drag and drop the ROM into the place so that your ROM is shown, and click on enter. So your flashing process will start, and once after 47% it says 47% no error. So even if it says error, that is no problem, and boom, the flashing is done. Now let us click on reboot and wait for our phone to get rebooted. And yes, we did boot into the system. Let me skip the setup part, and I have done it. So the ROM works as expected, so everything is working fine. And this video was on how to install the Arrow OS 12 based on Android 12.1 or Android 12L. So if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.